Welcome back to the FloorRight training videos. In this FloorRight training video, I'm going to show you how to manually set the scale on a PDF. So what I'm going to do on my toolbar is I'm going to left click on the line draw tool. And if you're looking at my screen, there's a dimension that says 10 foot. So I'm going to left click on the top part of this 10-foot dimension, and then I'm going to left click on the bottom part of that 10-foot dimension. So right now you see 9 foot 11 inches, which is pretty close to the correct scale. What I'm going to do now, up on the toolbar is the highlight arrow. I'm going to left click on that, and then I'm going to left click on the line I just drew. So now you see it highlighted blue. Now up next to the highlight arrow is the floor plan properties. I'm going to left click on that, and in the floor plan properties where it says set scale, I'm going to left click on set scale and enter the new length. So I'll put 10 in there for 10 feet and click OK. Now it asks, do you wish to rescale existing rooms and text? You want to click yes to that if you want to rescale this floor plan. We'll close the floor plan properties, and now the scale is set properly. We also want to delete this line we put here, because if we start drawing a room, it'll start it off that line. So on my toolbar, you should see cancel line draw. I'm just going to left click on that to delete that line. I'm going to show you another way how to manually set the scale if the plan doesn't have dimensions on it. I'm going to use a doorway and assume that the doorway is 3 feet. I'll take the line draw tool again, left click on either side of the door, and then I'm going to left click on the highlight arrow up on the toolbar so I can left click that line at the door. Once you see it turn blue, that means the line is selected, and we can left click on the floor plan properties. If you don't see floor plan properties on your toolbar, you can also go to edit and left click on floor plan properties. Once again, in the floor plan properties, we're going to left click on set scale, and we're going to enter the new length of that door. So I'll put 3 in there for 3 feet. Then I'll click OK, and I'll click yes to rescale the existing rooms and text. Close the floor plan properties, and I'm going to zoom in here. You can see that line still at the door, so if I start to draw another room, it's going to start it off that line. So I can left click that line with the highlight arrow and then press delete on my keyboard. And that is how you manually set the scale in FloorRight. So if you have any further questions, please contact FR Support at pacific-solutions.com. Thank you for watching this video.